Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Short. I'm coming to you today to give you a little extra homework help for Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 2, Lesson 18. All right, this is just a little extra help to build on what your teachers were showing you today in class in case you need someone at home to help you. This is the first one I'm doing. This is December 9th, 2025. Last 4 years, I taught second grade. I missed second grade. I missed my two teachers I used to teach with in second grade because we had such a great combination that when we worked together. Like my new partners, but it's okay to miss your old ones. All right, so here's a little extra help for you. I hope this helps. So we are going to subtract and show how you know. You can't just punch this in, so we got to figure out. So we want to take 176 and subtract 98. Well, let's see if we can make this a little easier. If we take 176, I think we can break this into two numbers to make our life a little easier. I'm going to break this into 100, and I'm going to break this into 76, because if we add 100 plus 76, we get 176. So we can do this. Now I need to subtract 98. Well, 98 is really close to 100. So let's subtract 98, 9 and the 8. We can just count, right? If we count up 98, 99, 100. How many numbers did you go up? Or we can do the subtraction, right? We'll just take this real quick and give 1 over here. So we're going to say 10 minus 8, that's 2. Now we have 9 minus 9 over here, which is 0. So there's one more step to find your answer now. So now you take the number 76. We're not done with this number. And you add the answer we found right here, 2. And we get 6 plus 2, so 6, 7, 8. And 7 plus 0 is 7. So that gives us an answer, 78. So we can put 78 up here. All right. Nice, neat. Well, my handwriting is not neat, but the answer came out nice and neat. So that's just another way to make this a little bit easier for us to figure out our answer. Remember, when we had 98 coming from 100, because we took our 100 out of here, we did that. I'm going to set the next one up for you, but I'm not going to do it for you. I want you to figure this one out on your own. So we have 132 minus 99. So if we break this off, I want to put, because I know 100 is close to 99. So if I take 100 out of there, I'm going to put my 32 over here. Okay. Then I'm going to have 32 plus something over here. And whatever answer you find down there goes up here. All right. Use this one up here to help you figure out how to solve this one down here. Okay. And today on your homework, look it, no extra problems. There's nothing on the back. So again, I hope this helps. All right. Mr. Short, this is second grade, Module 2, Lesson 18 homework help. And this is on page 91 in your Apply workbook. Okay. I hope this helps. Have a good night.